Hello and welcome back to another opening. Today we're going to be doing a Paldea Partners tin today, a Meowscarada EX. I think this is the one that comes with the Astral Radiance pack inside, but I'm not 100%. And then at the end we're going to be doing 2 extra little packs, just for an extra chance at a good pull. So let's get into this tin. Let's see what we can get. I think it comes with 2 Twilight Masquerade packs, a Temporal Forces and an Astral Radiance, but we'll find out in a second. So this is there's your code card. This is the promo that you get inside. Put that off to the side. And then inside we get Obsidian Flames, 2 Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet base set, and an Astral Radiance. So I got it a bit mixed up. There was no Twilight Masquerade, but there was an Astral Radiance. Now I've had these before and I've always got white code cards every single time without fail. So we'll do that last, and we'll start with the base set. Hopefully we can get that Gardevoir alt art out of there. And let's have a look. See what we can get today. So we have a Charcadet, Capsicid, Potion, Buizel, Jack, Florigato, Zangoose, a Flittle reverse, a Halucha reverse, and a Clorf regular holo. And then we got your code card. And now 2 chances at the gold Charizard. Can we get it with these 2 packs? We're going to go Pidgey, Combi, Varoom, Larvitar, Lycanroc, Midnight Form, Probopass, Vengeful Punch, Letter of Encouragement reverse, Finizen reverse, and a Claydol holo. And your code card. Obsidian Flames pack number 2. Palpitoad, Zigzagoon, Cypher, Meltan, Malamar, Grumpig, Bellibolt, Wiglet reverse, Oinkologne reverse, and a Scizor regular holo. Now for the big one. Do we get a white code card again? Or do I get a break from the white code cards? That's always a promising sign. Give you the code card. We're going to do 3 from the back. So we've got a Wait and See Turbo, Shieldon, Celine, Hoot Hoot, Ponyard, Poochyena, Yanma, Drifloon, Curlier reverse. Oh, and we've got a full art Gardenia's Vigor, full art trainer card. Not bad. At least we got something. And now we're going to move on to our extra little cheap packs. I'll be sleeving that up afterwards. So let's start with the base set pack. So we go Bisharp, Riolu, Go-Goat, Scatterbug, Heracross, Defiance Band, Drifblim, Torkoal reverse, Reverie reverse, and a Slowbro regular holo. And now, Temporal Forces. I've got a bunch of hits from this set, but none of the major chase cards. So we have Meltan, Nuzleaf, Minccino, Rockruff, Mist Energy, Cyphermaniac's Code Breaking, Sawsbuck, Metagross Reverse, P-Dove Reverse, and an Iron Valiant normal holo, and your last code card. Thank you for joining me today, guys. At least we got one hit from the tin, and it was from the set that I never get hits from. It's quite a nice card. Yeah, let me know if you guys have bought these tins in the past and how well you done on your opening. Hopefully we can get some more of those tins and keep trying for some good hits. But yeah, until next time, good luck on your hunt, and thank you for joining me. Goodbye, guys.